Century, the original standard, raises the bar for energy efficiently powering your pool pump with the new VGreen Evo variable speed pool pump motor. Pool motors that run all of the time just don't cut it anymore. Single-speed motors run around the clock, wasting precious energy and money. Want a pool pump motor that's better for both the environment and your wallet? You got it. The VGreen Evo motor is driven by advanced variable speed technology to power the most energy efficient and compliant pool pumps in the industry, helping our customers meet or exceed the latest DOE regulations. The VGreen Evo is engineered to be up to 80% more efficient than the traditional single-speed motor, leaving your old motor in the deep end. The VGreen Evo can be optimized to run during times that make sense. Complicated programming is a thing of the past. Once installed, programming is as easy as the push of a button. Yes, you heard that right, just one button. Choosing an energy-efficient pool motor has never been easier. Designed to be a direct drop-in replacement, the VGreen Evo fits nearly every pool pump out there. The VGreen Evo has been engineered to protect against the harsh outdoors and certified and tested to keep your pool running efficiently for years to come. Don't settle for less. Ask for a Century motor